Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on EVS. Today we are going to study lesson 2 uses of plants. In the previous lesson we have studied types of plants and parts of plants. What are the types of plants? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. These are the types of plants. Now parts of the plant. What are the parts of the plant? Root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, seeds. These are the parts of the plant. And some food items, the part of the plant which we are eating. Now cauliflower. Cauliflower is a plant in the form of flower. It is a flower. Now coming to spinach. Spinach is a part of a leaf. Potato is a form of a stem. Beetroot is in the form of root. This is all we studied in the previous classes. You can take paddy, maize in the form of a seed. And still what we have left? Fruit. These are the parts of the plants. We are eating the stem of a plant, flower of a plant, leaf of a plant, root, seed and fruit. In today's lesson, we are going to study about plants and its uses. Now, the daily food which we are eating, from where we are getting that food? We are getting from plants. Apart from the food we eat, plants also give some other useful things apart from the food. We are going to study in this chapter. So, coming to plants products, uses of plants. Now, first coming to cereals. Now, cereals. What do you mean by cereals? Cereals are also a part of the plant. Is a part of the plant which we get from plant. What are cereals? Cereals are nothing but they are food grains. Cereals means food grains. Cereals are food grains. What are food grains? Give some examples of food grains. Wheat, rice, jawar, bajra. These comes under the food grains. So these food grains, wheat, rice, jawar, bajra, from where do we get? We get from plants. From where we are getting this? We are getting from plants. Now we will take two food grains, rice and wheat. From rice, which is a food grain or you can say a cereal. So from rice we can make many things. Tell me some things which we can make from rice. You can make. Can you make biryani? Yeah. You can make fried rice. Plain rice. Still what you can make with rice? Idli. Dosa. Still so many things are there which we can get from rice. So these are the things which we get from rice. Coming to wheat. What are the things we get from wheat? What we can make from wheat? Bread. The biscuits, different kinds of biscuits we are eating, it is made from wheat. We are getting bread. And the chapati which you are eating, these all things come from wheat. The noodles which you are eating, it also comes from wheat. So under the uses of plants, coming to cereals, cereals are nothing but food grains. So examples of food grains is wheat, rice. And with these food grains, we can make many things already I told. Beside that, what are the other food grains you are going to eat? What are the other, beside food grains? The other thing is pulses. Pulses are nothing but the different kinds of dals. Okay, chana dal, urad dal, masoor dal, these are the different kinds of dals which we are using, which we are eating in our daily life. Besides cereals, pulses, still what are the parts of the plant we are eating? Vegetables. Even vegetables, give some examples of vegetables. Yeah, carrot, tomato, brinjal, these are the examples of vegetables. Even these vegetables, brinjal. These are the vegetables which we get from plants. Pulses we are getting from plants. Cereals we are getting from plants. Vegetables we are getting from plants. Still what we are getting from plants? Fruits. So even fruits like apple, mango, banana, there are many fruits which we are getting from plants. With vegetables, we can some vegetables like cucumber, onion, they are carrot, they are eaten raw. Even we can make vegetable salad. With fruits, we can make fruit salad. So cereals are eaten as a part of the plant. Pulses are also eaten. Vegetable, fruits. Beside this, still we are having nuts. Nuts are nothing but what you say it as dry fruits. What are the dry fruits? Kaju, badam, pista, which you say that is badam is nothing but almond. Kaju is cashew. Akhrot is walnut. These are the nuts. From where do we get these nuts? Walnut, almonds, cashew. These are the nuts. Even these nuts which we are eating daily, which we are using, it is also getting from, we are getting this from plants. The nuts which we are eating, we are getting these from plants. So beside cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, nuts. After nuts, we are having oils. Now for cooking purposes and for many other purposes, we use oil. From where we are getting oil? We are getting oil from plants. We get coconut oil from coconut. Mustard oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil. So these are the oil which we are getting from plants. So we are getting nuts, we are getting oil, fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals. Apart from them, still we are having many things which we are getting from plants. Now when you are cooking your fried rice or biryani or some mutton curry, chicken curry, what are the things you add to get the good taste? That is spices. Spices are nothing but what we say in our language, garam masala. What is that? Cloves. Pepper. Spices are the things which we add for the food to give taste. So cardamom, pepper, cloves, these are the spices. Even these spices, we are getting it from plants. So these are the many kinds of things in our daily life, food products which we are getting from plant. Beside that, still we are having many products which we are getting from plants, which we are going to study in our next lesson. Once I'll tell you the cereals which we are eating. What are the examples of cereals? Cereals are nothing but food grains. What are food grains? Wheat, rice, java, bajra, the food grains. From where we are getting? From plants. The fruits, where we are getting? From plants. Vegetables, from plants. Our dry fruit, that is nuts, we are getting from plants. Oil we are getting from plants. These are the things which we are getting from plants. Even pulses, that is the different kinds of dals which we are using, we get from plants. And even spices too, we are getting from plants. So in today's lesson, we have studied about plants products. Still there are many plant products, but whatever we are getting from plants, we are going to study it in the next class. Hope you have understood. Thank you.